We're doing black gutters, half round. We got internals and externals every 2 feet. And this one's 80 feet long. And it's gonna be a beautiful gutter. So these are the stamped brackets right here. And we're doing the run out from a Gen 1 half round machine. Made in USA, 2019. So right there, 2019. So 5-year-old machine, here we go. So we're feeding the gutter to the top of the roof. And that's how it's done. So there's my setup right here. That's for sale. It's a 7x14 non-V-nose. And it's got the Ironman KWM Gen 1 still wrapped half round machine. This machine is equipped with a chop saw like so to drop down, and I have this little thing here covering when I'm cutting so this stuff doesn't fly in there, so it's really amazing. But the gutter's coming out really beautiful, no dents, no blemishes. So here's the external hairs, internal, external, internal, and they just go every other. So 2 feet. There it is. This one's 75. The first gutter we hung was 81. So right in here, we've already hung this gutter here all the way across. Looks nice. We have a 90 and we have a bay. So we have these miter strips. Where did I put them? Oh, I put them on top of the roof. Let me climb up there. Going up. So I made a piece of gutter. This one has a 90 and that one has a bay. And then if we look right here, I know it's kind of awkward spot here, but so here they are. We have a 90 in the bay. Let's get it connected. All right, so there's the 90 and there's the bay. Got it all connected, and it just needs a little glue and it'll be good to go. Very beautiful. There's the view from the bottom. It turned out amazing. Got the second side installed as well, and it turned out really nice. So that's another project that we just finished with half round. We were helping some people out, so got it all done. Off to the next project, and the next project might be maybe trading that truck in and getting a diesel or something.